Welcome to this comprehensive review of Paymo, an all-in-one project management software designed to help teams and freelancers stay organized and productive. In this video, I'll take you step by step through the platform, exploring its features, functionality, and overall user experience. If you're looking for a tool to manage your projects, track time, and collaborate effectively, keep watching to find out if Paymo is the right choice for you. When you first log into Paymo, you're greeted by a clean and intuitive interface. The dashboard gives a clear overview of your projects, tasks, and time entries. It's easy to navigate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. One standout feature is the ability to create and manage multiple projects with distinct timelines and tasks. The platform allows you to assign tasks to team members, set priorities, and add deadlines. Paymo also offers excellent time tracking capabilities. Whether you're tracking time for billing or monitoring team productivity, the built-in timer and manual entry options are simple yet effective. The software provides detailed reports that give insights into how time is spent, making it easier to manage budgets and workload distribution. Another impressive feature is the Kanban board, which is perfect for visualizing workflows. Drag-and-drop functionality makes it easy to update task statuses and see the progress of each project at a glance. The Gantt chart tool is another highlight, helping you plan timelines and dependencies efficiently. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to check them out after watching the video. Paymo integrates seamlessly with various tools, including Slack, QuickBooks, and Zapier, extending its capabilities to suit different needs. The platform also supports file sharing and communication within projects, which reduces the need for external tools. For teams working remotely or across different time zones, Paymo's collaboration features are particularly valuable. One of the unique selling points of Paymo is its invoicing functionality. You can generate invoices directly from your timesheets and project budgets, saving time and ensuring accuracy. This feature is especially useful for freelancers and agencies that need to streamline billing processes. Overall, Paymo strikes a great balance between usability and functionality. It's packed with features, but remains user-friendly, making it a versatile option for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're managing a small team or running a large-scale operation, Paymo offers the tools you need to stay on track and productive. If you found this review helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps me create more content like this, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know if you've used Paymo or if you have any questions about it. Thanks for watching.